Hi, I'm Donna Usher, and this is a testimonial video for the Embodied Awakening Academy and for the Tantra Practitioner Training. And I'm just about to complete the Tantra Practitioner Training. I've been doing it for a year now, and I can honestly say that the awareness that I've had coming in from this course about myself, about how I viewed the world, about my reality that I was in that I thought was real, about who I was, all of that has profoundly shifted and changed over the course of the year through this training. Coming in from a deep work point of view, doing the deep work on myself and doing it on others, you know, because we learn so much about ourselves when we're doing this work on others. But then also understanding, having an awareness, theoretical awareness of stuff and the way things are energetically, and then being able to find those things within myself and allow those things. So when I came in, I was very much stuck in my masculine energy. I didn't even know about masculine and feminine energies. I was very much in a way of doing. I was forcing creation and manipulation, and I was always ending up at a place where I didn't really want it, and I didn't know how I'd got there. Now I'm able to be with what is, to be in flow, to be in heart, to allow my feminine, my intuition to come in, to start to make these decisions. So I want to say to you, if you're letting your mind make this decision, then all you're going to have, like this decision on whether or not you do this training, then all you're going to end up with is more of the past. I know this because I'm an expert in recreating my past into my future, right? So if you're thinking about doing this training and then you're maybe making lists, the pros and the cons, you're looking at the cost, is it worth it? I mean, what is the cost of expansion? You know, what is the cost of freedom of the soul? What is the cost of happiness and bliss? Is there actually a monetary figure that we can put on that? No. And I'm going to tell you that whatever the cost is of this training, if you commit to it and you go into it, it will be nothing compared to what you will get out of it. So don't let your head make the decision on this. Let your heart make the decision, because this is what this is about. And if you can't let your heart make this decision, then you're probably not ready for this training, because this is about coming into self, about aligning with self, about finding wholeness within self, about giving ourselves what we need, rather than being in a reality where we can't get what we want from others, therefore we're always in a lack of abundance. This is about being with who we are, accepting ourselves in all our shadow, and being able to create a life that is truly joyful and is truly what we want. So step into your heart, think about what do you want your life to be like, and then see if this training resonates with you, is flowing forward in the way forward to creating something unknown, something new that you've never been able to create before.